So now let's move on. So for the eyeshadow, I'm going to use this palette. This palette is from Beauty Glazed, and first I'm going to use the white shade from this palette to just even out my eyelid and to set my eyelid. So next eyeshadow I'm going to use is this one. This color I'm going to use is this pinky shade. And going to apply it on my crease area, like here. Very pigmented shades. The camera is not catching up the real pigmentation, but the shades are really pigmented. Seriously, the shades are very pigmented. Now I'm going to use this brush. It's a kind of a round blending brush, but it's very small, so it will fit on my crease line. Next shade I'm going to use this purple one. Going to apply it over here. So I'm just going to start from here. Okay, so next I'm going to use this green pan. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to take the darkest color of this palette. First I'm going to use these two colors because these are the most darkest color in this palette. Over here. First just place the color. You don't have to blend it like this, so just tap the color and see the pigmentation. Okay, just tap the color. Next I'm going to use this shade, this one, and then I'm going to use this khaki color. I'm going to use this shade over here, right next to that color. Now I'm going to use this navy blue color. Going to apply it over here. First just tap the color. Next I'm going to use khaki green color on my lower lash line. And here I'm going to add the yellow color. Next I'm going to apply this glitter over here. So next I'm going to apply this mascara from Mars Cosmetics. It's a very amazing mascara. You can definitely check this one, and it is quite affordable. And one thing more, I just love this mascara so much. I just use this mascara in my each and every tutorial because it just gives you a very good lash effect, like very good. It just separates each and every lash, and it just voluminize everything. Look at that. it is it is amazing. It's really good. You can definitely check this one, and it is affordable. Next I'm going to apply this kajal from Bella Voste, and it is like white kajal. It's really long lasting, so I highly recommend this one. It's quite good. And next I'm going to use this palette, and this is from the this is from the brand Forever 52, and this is their duochrome eyeshadows. I'm going to use this shade but over here. Because I need a little bit more sparkle here. And also going to apply the green color, the darkest green color over here little bit. So this is how your makeup turns, and I just love this makeup look so much. It is looking stunning. And if you want to learn more and more makeup looks, then please keep on watching, but make sure to like, subscribe and share. You can definitely follow me on here, and you can definitely follow me on Instagram. My handle is Rachmakeup. So yeah, till then, take care.